Many of my patients have been asking me about foods that need to be avoided in diabetes. First and foremost, there is no such food that needs to be totally and completely avoided when you are a diabetic. But moderation of each and every food items and control of your blood sugar level is the norm. I'll be enumerating certain foods that cause spike in blood sugar levels and impedes the control of diabetes. So keep watching. Number 1. Sugar sweetened beverages. There are many beverages available in the market which are rich in carbohydrates, high in fructose levels, and cause spikes in blood sugar levels. Those need to be avoided. Secondly, there are packaged fruit juices which come with added sugars. Again, those need to be avoided. Fruit juice consumption on a regular basis also needs to be avoided. Rather, you can take fruits instead of fruit juices, which will help you in control of your sugar levels. Second is processed carbohydrates. Processed carbohydrates cause peaks in blood sugar levels because of high carbohydrate contents in them. Processed carbohydrates mainly white flour. So the foods made from white flour like rice, noodles and pasta, pizzas, burgers, donuts, cakes and pastries, samosa, pani puri, all these are rich in carbohydrates and they cause spikes in blood sugar levels. So these products need to be avoided. Another product worth mentioning is tapioca pearls or sabudana, which is usually consumed in the Indian household when they fast. This is a highly energy product with lots of carbohydrates in it and which is low in fiber contents. But it is rich in vitamins and minerals and which is a good supplement, a energy supplement during fasting periods. But it needs to be consumed in a very minimal amount and in a controlled way in diabetics because it causes peaks in their blood sugar levels. Third is fried foods. Fried foods need to be avoided as it is having a rich content of carbohydrates. They are in excess of fats and they are having lots of oil in it, which causes peaks in blood sugar levels. Mostly these are found outdoors and in the form of junk food as well. So these products need to be avoided so as to prevent spikes in blood sugar levels. These products include French fries, onion bhajiyas, and the likes. The next one that comes to my mind is bakery products. Bakery products like biscuits, khari, toast, butter, white bread. All these are rich in saturated fats. And these products need to be avoided as they cause spikes in blood sugar levels. Next is dried fruits. Dried fruits like currants, raisins, dried dates, dried walnuts. They are rich in carbohydrate content and they cause spikes in blood sugar level. And they should be avoided. And in turn, the fruits should be consumed instead of the dried fruits. Lastly, honey and maple syrup. Usually people try to avoid sugar and try to use honey or maple syrup as an alternative to sugar so as to give taste to their foods. But eventually, honey or maple syrup also increases the sugar content. And it has been seen that honey increases the sugar content more than what our table sugar does. So these need to be avoided. One more product is whole milk, which contains higher amounts of fats. It can be replaced with skim milk or yogurt. So my advice to you all is to have a holistic approach towards control of your blood sugar levels. That does not include only diet, but it includes, along with diet, some amount of exercise and some amount of reduction of your stress levels by doing yoga, meditation, listening to music, and going outdoors. So keep practicing these little tips and have a healthy life ahead. Thank you.